What's up, guys? Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get that pinky, juicy, glossy, plumpy lips. I'm going to be teaching you guys how to get plumpy and pink lip in this video. So sit back, relax, let's dive into the video. So guys, for this remedy you'll be needing a tablespoonful of sugar, because I'll be making it in small quantity. That is why I'm using a tablespoon of sugar. This is it, 1 tablespoon of sugar. Then you need turmeric, this is it, and you need honey. So you add 1 tablespoonful of turmeric to your sugar. You add 1 tablespoonful of turmeric to your sugar. Turmeric. And also 1 tablespoonful of honey to mix it together. You mix them together. Honey has lightening properties that will lighten your lip, and also turmeric is a natural lightening agent. So guys, this is the mixture. I'll be applying it in my lip now. You can use hand to apply it, or you use spoon. This is how it is after washing it off. Remember, you can wash it off or lick it. It is all natural products. It tastes good, it tastes okay. It is all natural product.